Moja Magic TV.
Come along, let's learn the ABCs.
A is for ambulance, racing fast to help today. Lights are flashing, siren loud, helping people in the crowd. B is for butterfly, flap your wings and fly with me. Colors bright up in the sky, flutter, flutter way up high. C is for cat, soft and sweet, come sit with me. Purring loud and curling tight, nap all day and play at night. D is for dolphin, swimming fast and splashing free, jumping high above the waves, smiling bright on sunny days. E is for elephant, big and strong, come play with me, waving trunk and stomping feet, march along to the jungle beat. A, B, C, come dance with me, jump up high, 1, 2, 3. F is for fish, swimming fast and splash with me, flip and flop and swish the tail. In the water we set sail. G is for guitar, strum along and sing with me, play a tune both loud and sweet, tap your hands and move your feet. H is for helicopter, spinning blades go round and round, up so high into the sky, see it soar way up so high. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, come taste with me, scoop it high and lick it slow, yum yum yum, let's eat and go. J is for juice, drink it up and shout hooray, orange, apple, grape, or pear, sip it slowly, it's so sweet, wiggle left, wiggle right, sing real loud, feel so bright. K is for kangaroo, hopping away, boing, boing, watch it play. L is for lion, strong and bold, roaring so loud, brave and gold, king of the jungle they say. M is for monkey, swinging around, jumping up high and touching the ground, laugh and dance with friends. N is for numbers, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 2. Learning numbers is so fun to do. O is for ocean, waves go splash, come on let's go swim with fish and sail a boat, feel the breeze and float afloat, clap your hands, spin around, sing your letters up and down. P is for panda, black and white and cuddly too, munching bamboo happily, play and nap the whole day. Q is for queen, crown so bright, waving her hand, smiling right and dance around. R is for rainbow, color so bright, after the rain what a lovely sight. S is for sky, blue and white for you and me, clouds float by so soft and high, look up, up, up to the sky. T is for train, chugging fast, toot toot, on the track goes Rudy toot toot, sing aloud and sing it slow. A, B, C is fun, let's sing, sing. U is for uniform, wear it proud in any beautiful color, shirt and pants or skirt so neat, march along with happy feet. V's for vice, holds bright flowers for you and me, red and yellow, pink and blue, pretty blooms in every way. W is for water, splash and play in pool so blue, drink it up to stay so strong. Water helps you all day long. X is for X-ray, seeing inside your bones today. Peek and look and count them too. Y is for yawn, knit a hat or ball to play. Twist and tangle, weave a mat, it's fun to make. Z is for zebra, stripes so fine, running fast in a jungle line. A to Z, we did great, sing again, it's not too late. Now clap your hands and dance around. Every letter is our friend.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.